Hello everyone. Alright, it's time to start opening some blue boxes again. So let's start with the first one. And this is the second version of my rendition or version of Moritz Klein's voltage control filter, the diode ladder filter. And I redesigned the PCB completely. I made a first very quick design of this. I just threw this together in KiCad. And I wasn't completely happy about where the jacks went and yeah, everything. So I decided to redesign it from scratch. And so this is a layout that is more like makes more sense, I think. And I have also made a front panel for this. And the front panel looks like this. And yeah, it seems quite okay, I think. A couple of scratches, but yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, we have the big cut-off knob. I moved that a little bit, and then you have the resonance pot over here. I'm using the same method here with regular alpha pots for the big knobs and short trimmers for the other controls that you're not using so much. And I have two CV inputs, one with attenuator and one with attenuverter. And there is also input and output of the signal, of course. So I will put a couple of these together and yeah, see if they still work. This one worked fine, by the way, no issues at all, and it sounded really great. So I don't expect this to be worse in any way. It should be. It's basically the same design with respect to the filter itself. All right. Okay, next up we have this. And this is, as you can see from the packaging, it's a pre-assembled board. And I try to unwrap this. So okay, see if I can pry one loose here. All right, so this is my LFO, my voltage controlled LFO. I have redesigned it a little bit, trying to use as many SMT components as possible. And I also did the migration from KiCad 5 to KiCad 6 during this, so it was actually a lot of work to get everything to work. And I basically had to redesign the whole PCB because of that, because I lost all my 3D models and yeah. So, and I couldn't sort that out in the beginning, but it's all fixed now. So I can say that after this I have successfully migrated to KiCad 6, which is a little bit different than KiCad 5, and maybe I should do a sort of video on that topic. Alright, so the whole idea with this is that this is something that I'm going to start selling on my Tindie shop. And if you're curious about that, check out the description in the video. There's a link to it there, and you can see what I have in the store at the moment. Alright, so this will be really interesting to see that everything works, and yeah. So I will get back on this in a future video. Okay, so this is a quite short episode, and I got more stuff incoming from JLC PCB, so that will probably be a new episode at the end of the month, I think, and then I hopefully can show some interesting project that I'm working on. Right now I'm working on a sort of combined analog sequencer and multiplexer, and so that's the PCBs are under production right now, and so I hope to get back more on that later on. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I see you in the next episode. Goodbye.